An indigenous tale from India. Megaliths around the world have been the cynosure for scholars and tourists alike. Some are still waiting to be discovered and appreciated by the world. This is the story of one such lost glorious site called Chukahatu, which is one among many scattered around in the state of Jharkhand, India. Hargadi in the local Mundari language is called the burial site. Mundas are one of the prominent indigenous groups of Jharkhand. The forgotten village of Chukahatu is approximately 65 km from Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. The people and the community at large seem to be oblivious to the glorious past, of which they are the natural inheritors. However, the physical remains of the site are the evidence of their lost glory. One cannot believe their eyes when they are exposed to approximately 3,000 burial stones scattered around at one place. It raises obvious questions about their antiquity, history, and rituals of burial. While talking to the locals, their ignorance to their glorious past was quite evident. However, they gave us information about uniqueness of their burial rituals and practices, which till date they are following. अच्छा, ये तो पानी गिरने से नहीं हुआ है, ये बना हुआ है। तो यहाँ पे भी है और लिखा हुआ क्या है? लिखा हुआ शायद मिट गया होगा। बहुत हम लोग का जब दादा परदादा था ना, वो भी बोलता था, हम लोग भी नहीं जानते थे उस टाइम का पत्थर है, ये सब बोलता था। अच्छा, मतलब बहुत ही पुराना पत्थर। The Mundas bring the ashes and bones of the deceased in a bullock cart, pulled not by the bulls but by the sons or the relatives of the deceased, and they bury the bones and ashes of the dead under the living stone. According to the locals, these megaliths keep growing over the centuries. हाड़ ठलाता है, उसको आला के गाड़ देता है, उसके ऊपर पत्थर जब देता है। अच्छा, यही याद करने के लिए कि हम लोगों का ये था। आगे का बाप दादा लोग। अच्छा, ठीक है। किसी में तो नाम भी लिखा हुआ पत्थर में, कौन है? किधर दिखाइए, पत्थर में नाम लिखा हुआ दिखाइए, हमको लेके जाइए। हाँ, तो हमको लेके जाइए, आगे जाना। It is unique but unknown to the world, bright but hidden under the cloud of anonymity. However, those visiting the place cannot but compare this with the Stonehenge of England for its striking similarities. These 3,000 stone burial sites and many like this in Jharkhand are waiting patiently for centuries to be discovered and acknowledged and to be brought into the coveted list of UNESCO sites, which it rightfully deserves.